Welcome back. We now have news from sports. Goa have proved that they are a rising force in the age group cricket circuit after scoring an emphatic 4-wicket victory over Jammu and Kashmir in the Under-19 Kuch Bihar cricket tournament. Goa chased a challenging target of 345 runs in their second innings, out of which 216 runs came on the fourth and final day on Monday. Goa's chase also proved that the pitch at the MCC ground in Madgaon was an absolutely sporting wicket.
Goa was shot out for a lowly 106 runs in their first innings, triggering comments like the pitch was not suitable for the 4-day match. Even the Goa Cricket Association President Advocate Dayanand Narvekar did not feel that the match should have been held on this pitch. Goa had to score 216 runs on the final day to achieve the target of 345 runs. And they did it in great style. The home side led by Ganesh Raj Narvekar put up a superb performance, courtesy fine innings from Vaibhav Naik of 145 runs, Sumir Namonkar 50 and Keenan Vaz with an impressive 93. Goa coach Avinash Aware was delighted with the achievement of his boys. J&K coach Mandar Dalvi praised the Goan boys. Both the coaches found no problem with the pitch.
हांगामध्ये आम्ही खूप सगळ्यांनी कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केलं आणि डिटर्मिनेशननी आम्ही ते जिंकले गेम.
हाव यू फील?
व्हेरी हॅपी. इतली मेहनत आमची चालू आती लास्ट 3 मंथ 4 मंथ. बँगलोर टूर असलेले आम्ही हांगा खेळले, इतले मॅची खेळले. त्याचे आज म्हाका दिसले की कितें तरी फळ जायला मेळलें. पिच तशें पळयलें तर 4 days ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट. खंयचे तुम्ही रिपोर्ट पळोवया तुम्ही कसली पिचीचे चेजिंग ऑन 4 days ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट. पण वी रियली पुट अ डिटरमाइंड एफर्ट आणि म्हणून आम्ही जिंकले. पी तशी चांगली म्हटल्यार तुम्ही बरे खेळल्यार तुमकां बरी आहा, पण तुम्ही मातशे मिस्टेक करो तुमकां चान्स ना. इफ यू मेक अ मिस्टेक तुम्ही आउट. अशें करून आम्ही ते चिंतून खेळले. हय.
गोवाच्या प्लेयर्सना श्रेय तर आहेच आहे. त्यांनी खूपच चांगली बॅटिंग केली. सेकंड इनिंगमध्ये आमची बॅटिंग खराब झाली आणि गोवानी तेवढीच चांगली बॅटिंग करून दाखवून दिलं की पिचमध्ये काही नाही आहे. पिच एकदम चांगली होती.
Pitch curator Vinod Damaskar stated that Dayanand Narvekar might have been misinformed about the pitch.
चौथे दिसा ह्या 3 बॅट्समॅनांनी सुमिरा नामोणकर, वैभव नायक आणि किनन वाज आणि ज्या पद्धतीन बॅटिंग केल्या आणि हो रिकॉर्ड जावन आसा ह्या ग्राउंडाचेर ह्या पिचीचेर लास्ट डे 180 रन्स इन 1 सेशन. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी अबाउट दॅट. आनी जो रिपोर्ट आयलो पेपराचेर म्हाका दिसता दयानंद नार्वेकाराक कोणी तरी रॉंग इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलें. तांच्या जंजी कोणी मनशांनी म्हाका खबर ना.
Narvekar praised the youngsters for scoring a great victory.
It's a wonderful gift for all of us in Goa that these youngsters have performed. I am very happy personally because last 3 days I am seeing this match. I had a chance to interact with these boys again and again, and they have come down to believe now that Goa can win.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Salgaonkar Sports Club coach Tim Hankinson has said that the Kingfisher GFA Pro League schedule is working against his side. Salgaonkar played Sporting Club de Goa in a 1-1 draw on Sunday. Both teams play next on Wednesday. Salgaonkar will clash with Dempo Sports Club while Sporting will take on Musli Power Churchill Brothers.
Salgaonkar's American coach Tim Hankinson claimed that the boys played hard against Sporting Club de Goa at Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Sunday but lacked energy to accelerate the tempo of the game. He was overall happy with the point as Green Brigade had not fielded their best 11. However, Hankinson is unhappy with the tight scheduling of the Pro League matches.
We've got some players like Luciano who are very important to us out with yellow cards, so we do not have our best squad available. But the boys played hard, and to get a point is always a reward for the hard work. Clearly the goal we gave up in the second half, where there were 2 or 3 orange shirts from Sporting free on the corner kick, is a lack of concentration at that moment, and that's why we give the result into a 1-1.
Next match?
Well, the next match again, Dempo's had 3 days, they played Saturday. Now we only have 2 days, rest again. And so the schedule is working very hard against us, not giving us a chance to get our legs back.
Sporting Club de Goa coach Roy Barreto was satisfied with the point from Sunday's game.
We created some opportunities which we didn't put away, but I think We did quite well. We did quite well today. I'm not disappointed with the point. Well, I think sometimes just a bit of concentration. Sometimes guys are arriving just a little too late. Things like that. But it's nothing major.
Next match.
The next match is for us is on the 9th against Churchill.
Our reporter from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
St. Sebastian Sports Club, Crown Club and Odshell Sports Club won their matches at the ongoing Senior Division Volleyball League in Ponda. The tournament is organized by Kala and Krida Mandal in association with the Goa Volleyball Association at the Municipal Court.
In the women's matches, St. Sebastian Sports Club Santa Cruz defeated Holy Spirit Sports Club Madgaon 25-21, 25-21. Crown Club Santa Cruz beat Shantadurga Sports Club Karapur 25-17, 25-17. In another match, Odshell Sports Club got the better of Menkure Friends Circle 25-17, 25-19. Here are some of the highlights. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
And before we end, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Medical report of the Russian girl reveals no injuries on vagina and its passages. Court to pronounce order on anticipatory bail plea of John Fernandez on Tuesday. National Investigative Agency to look into the Madgaon blast case. Asks state to furnish detailed report. Police Department initiates inquiry into IGP's official car accident. Goa under-19 score great victory over Jammu and Kashmir. J&K and Goa coaches hail sporting wicket at MCC ground. And Salgaonkar Sports Club coach Tim Hankinson says Pro League schedule is working against his side. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.